time for more cases for the Pixel Fold, so let's check them out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So here I am with another case video for the Pixel Fold, and this is the MergeGrip from the guys at Tudia. So big shout out guys, thanks for sending these over to me for review. So what we have here, these are all the same cases. These are the MergeGrip, and this is matte black, green lily, and indigo blue. So let's check them out. Get my trusty knife. So that's the indigo blue, green lily, and of course the trusty black. Can't go wrong with a black case, can you? Black cases are just, you know what you're getting. There we go. So there we go. So that's the indigo blue, the lily green, or the green lily, and then the matte black. So we'll start off with the matte black, and yeah, first off the bat, first impressions, very nice. Just clicks on, no fuss, no nothing, which wow, that's a mega lip. And yeah, first impressions, it's very nice textured here on the back, which is nice. Buttons, great clicky buttons, and fingerprint reader / power button is exposed here. In the bottom then, USB-C port, speaker holes, microphone hole, and then microphone hole in the top, as well as another speaker hole. So yeah, very nice. Nice grippy case, I must say. I do like the grippiness of that case. Doesn't feel slippery, and you know, you got a good firm hold of that case, which I like. So let's just weigh these. So I've got the black one on the Pixel Fold here already, but we'll just weigh the blue one here. So 49 grams for the two pieces, and the green one 50 grams. So yeah, not much in it. So yeah, I really do like the fitment of that. You know, it clicks on very easily, but some cases I've seen are quite flimsy. This is staying on quite well, which I'm really happy about. And screen lip. Now look at that. Now that's a mega screen lip up over the front display. Like, it's really good, and it's consistent all the way around the entire display. So you set that down, that's not going to touch the surface whatsoever. Camera bar. Now the camera bar it comes up just slightly over the camera bar, you can see there, but it's not a massive big lip, but it will stop the camera bar from touching the surface. So but if you were to drop that, say, on ground or gravel or something like that, you know, it's not going to give you enough of a lip there. But it's sleek and minimalistic, and I really do like it. I still can't get over that screen lip. Look at that. That is crazy. And just to be sure, I've got a bit of magnet paper here. No magnets in this case, so it's not a MagSafe compatible case. Not everybody's doing it, but someday it'll be standard across the board, and we'll love it. It'll be great. So yeah, I really do like this case. It's very grippy. I love this texture on the back when you're holding it, especially one-handed. You definitely feel like you've got a good grip on this, and it doesn't really feel as if it's going to slip out of your hand. The hinge is exposed, but as with most cases for the Pixel Fold, that's going to be standard, because, you know, as you can see, when you open that up, it'll close over the hinge, you know, so one of those things. But no, that's a very nice case. I do like that. So that's the black, that's the matte black. So we'll just switch over to the blue. On the inside here, I'm not sure if I showed it previously, but it's silicone type material on the inside as well, so that's the sort of inside of it. And this case is very rigid, very rigid. And that's the blue version. And exactly the same screen lip, you get exactly the same camera protection there, just exact same case, just different color. So that's the blue, and there's the green. guys think of that green. It's kind of, it's maybe a few shades off the hazel that you get on the likes of the Pixel tablet, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad at all. It's different. So what do you guys think? What do you guys think? What's your favorite color? Let me know in the comments down below. These cases are pretty decent value for money as well. About £34 on Amazon, which is really decent for a good case. You're getting something that's good, grippy, and definitely think it'll withstand a bump or two. So no, definitely that's a real good case that I would recommend. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, I will leave you an affiliate link in the description below if you want to pick one up using one of my links. It'll help support the channel, but won't cost you guys any more money. So if you do use one of my links, thanks for your support. So yeah, that about wraps up this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. So I'm gonna go, but if you want more down-to-earth tech review and accessory videos, you know where to come. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.